Hello folks. So before I lose all of you viewers that just happen to accidentally click on here, I'll get the most important message out of the way. And I say a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all. I know around this time of year everyone's doing videos like this, and it kind of just gets lost in the maze, but I wanted to specifically take this opportunity to say a genuine and heartfelt thank you to everyone, not just this year, that supported me in this crazy quest that I seem to be engaged in since I started it, and this year and so on. Without any exaggeration or anything else, I wouldn't be able to keep doing this without your support. So across the spectrum, whether it's from just clicking like on a silly video like this, or giving me cars or parts or whatever, real genuine thank you to everyone. So I hope you all have a good Christmas and a good New Year. This year felt really quick to me. I didn't feel that I got a whole lot done really from the project's point of view. Did get the MG board done, but yeah, it just feels like I'm still catching up from the moving house expedition. So that's enough about me. It's Christmas time. So it being Christmas, one of you crazy folks decided to send me a massive box full of car parts and other goodies. So in the spirit of Christmas, let's go ahead and unbox it on camera, boringly, for you. Okay, let's see if we can perform some surgery on this parcel here. I do know that it is supposed to be Volvo parts for our V70 project. Other than that, to be honest, I haven't been paying much attention. So let's see what we've got in here. Ooh. There you go. All right. There's a cable. And there's this our bonnet release cable. I'm going to take a guess. That's our bonnet release cable. Here we go. Oh yeah, Volvo. Oh, now how bad is my pronunciation going to be? Motorhaubenzug. Motorhaubenzug bonnet cable. Okay. It's our first one because the previous owner had replaced the other one with a pipe clamp, as we saw in our introduction video. Well, oh, I'm spotting something else in here now. Hang on. Better take all the packaging out of the way. Let's see what we find in here. Oh, what's this? Oh. Oh. This is a interesting. Oh, Hammerschmidt. Cool. Federzwingen Z. Federzwingen? Oh. I guess these are clamps. Cool. Federzwingen. Federzwingen. Federzwingen? I'm going to go with Federzwingen. Does that say helicoil? I think that says helicoil. Oh, okay. Federzwingen. Alright, we got some Federzwingen. Let's see what else we can find in here. on, don't throw this away. Parts inside. Wow. Oh. Oh. Some kind of. Oh wow. This is interesting. Branthocorox. Branthocorox? Dry in eins. Schwarz. Imagining this is some kind of anti-sponsorship paint. Branthocorox. Cool. Gonna need lots of that. That's a handy pouch. We'll hang on to that. Ooh. And of course, an essential 3D printer filament. This was very unexpected. What have we got here? Oh, PLA. Okay. It'll be handy for prototypes. Wilder prototype. Oh, recycling fabric. Nice one. Must be recycled PLA then. Excellent. Alright. Hang on. Hang on. Oh. Something's in here. I'm going to need the knife again. Or should I say the scalpel. Alright, let's scalpel this a bit. All my Stanley knives are up in the house because I've been working on the bathroom the last week or so. I've got to go with the scalpel. Okay. I've got a piece of trim by the look of it. Here we go. Volvo S80 and 2004, 120 kilowatts. Looks like a piece of trim. Volvo. Okay. That will be handy. Oh yeah, can someone clarify for me if Volvo in Swedish really means I roll? Because that's what I was told years ago. Not sure. Oh wow. Okay, this is big. Oh, this could be the ECU enclosure. Because my one, as we know, has been carefully modified to incorporate cable ties into its structure. Yeah, this is looking very ECU-like. This one actually has functioning plastic clips in it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Aha. Rotating drive belts. Folks, you should always be careful in your EV about rotating drive belts. That one is in 500% better condition insofar as it has the clips. It's not broken. I don't see any automotive grade cable ties on it. Alright. Let's see what else we've got in here. Okay. Whoa. Something else in that. I'm guessing this. Ooh. Warning, removal of battery. Yes, battery cover. Cool, we can put that one into play almost immediately. See this, folks, okay? This is Volvo Sweden, okay? Not Ford, not China. No, actual Volvo. Made by Swedes. In Sweden. Speaking Swedish. Alright, let's see what else we've got going on. Okay. This is interesting. Let's see what we've got going on here. It's big as well. It's metal. Some kind of metallic object. This is very metallic. got? Oh! Oh! It's a automatic pedal box. Brake pedal. Nice one. I wasn't expecting that at all. Okay. Cool. See, another skill for me to learn, which will be changing pedal boxes. So far in my automotive life, I've never actually had to do that, so it's been kind of nice. Ooh, I suspect this might be a windscreen wiper. It is not a windscreen wiper. It is two windscreen wipers. Yeah. It is two windscreen wipers, because as we know, our previous ones ever so slightly broken off. So that's excellent. Windscreen wipers. Okay. Let's see what else is hiding in here. If we're okay here, that's just a bit of, yeah. Oh, hang up. And where would we be with windscreen wipers, I guess, without a set of blades? SWF for Mitsubishi, Volvo, V70. Yes, very nice. Never came across this brand before, but we'll definitely give them a shot. Your choice for excellence. The German wiper specialist. There you go. That's good enough for me. Alright. What else we got here? This is really Christmas-like, alright. Oh, hang on. There's something in this. Something in here. What's that? Don't know what this is, folks. Do not know what this is. Let's open it up. I don't know what this thing is. Got some kind of Velcro on it. Looks like it has some kind of Velcro straps. Could be relating to the battery, maybe. Battery hold down piece of some form. Not terribly sure, but okay. Let's see what else is in here. We're getting near the end. Right, no, there's more. There's more. Oh yeah. Clang. Oh. I might leave that wrapped up actually, because I imagine that's the battery tray, because yeah, that's the battery tray, and there's a kind of a hold down clamp there for that. So we'll leave that wrapped up. Let's see, it must be nearly there. Wait, there's more. There's more. We have a man filter. Oh. Einstuck. What is this one? Made in the Czech Republic. Imagine this is a... Oh, wait now. Okay, I'm going to completely butcher this one. Inner Aumulu filter. So it's, I'm guessing this is the cabin air filter. Yeah, that's good to have, because I'm going to guess the one that's in the car is probably the factory one. So... I think that's it, folks. Yeah, that's it. So there you have it, folks. A absolute plethora of Volvo parts and other very helpful items. Apologies for my butchering some of the German words there, but they're fairly new to me. So thank you very much to the person that sent me that consignment. And again, thank you to everyone, particularly my patrons on Patreon and everyone else that helps out. So my best wishes to you and yours. We will see you in 2025. where I would like to think we will get a bit more done. My goal, my big electronics project will be the Model 3 drive unit PCB. I'm still hoping to be able to order bare boards for fit testing in the next few days. So hopefully in the new year we'll be able to show you some board fitting. And then as the year progresses, we'll get a working board. And of course I've got loads of car projects. The next one probably to move around under its own steam will be the Red Arrow. So that's it, folks. I will sign off for 2024 here now. We will see you in 2025, all going well. And until next time, as always, don't forget to dislike, unshare, unsubscribe from this nonsense. Do check out the links for the Open Inverter Forum and GitHub and all that stuff that you'll find in the description. But avoid the links to PayPal and Patreon for supporting me, because then I waste your money on silly projects. So, until next year then, happy car parts unboxing.